Yes, my people, good day. Let's check out these codes. All right, scanner plugged in, ignition on. All right. Good old beamer sound. Diagnosis. I'll do an auto scan. See how many control modules have codes in them. And then next, see how many control modules in this. We know what the Mercedes look like, but we at 8 and we already at 36%. So that's not a bad number. 13 and we at 50%, so like 26 of them. The Mercedes still beat it though. I don't have as much redness over here. Everything is mainly no fault. So that's good, BMW. Hey. So we have engine control module. We have clutch code, ABS code. We see what's going on in the engine control module. Okay, read code. The coolant thermostat monitoring. Check and see if it's plugged in. Make sure everything plugged in, but chances are, with these many miles, hasn't been changed. You probably need a thermostat. All right, back out of this. See what's going on in the gearbox. Twin clutch signal from the DSC stability control. Left front wheel speed sensor. Bam. Some people called it left front wheel speed sensor. So we are going to take a look, make sure so that not plugged in or whatever the case. But chances are the wheel speed sensor bad. All right, so we have that and that so far. What else we have? The ABS. ABS is probably going to be related to that same wheel speed sensor. So what's going on here? But it's 3 codes in it though. May have a communication issue maybe. Left front wheel speed sensor. Left front wheel speed sensor again. And then brake pad wear. Okay, rear axle, so it might need brakes, so we'll check that too as well. So, we'll see if there are any codes anywhere else. Just those 3 control units. See when we have electronic dampener, we'll see what's going on in here. Read code, long day. Electronic dampener, left front wheel speed sensor again. So across the platforms, the different ECUs, they communicate, get information from different components and share it. So when that component fail, it shows up all the different computers that rely on that input. Can message DSC, so the same DSC again. So the wheel speed sensor causes multiple fault codes across multiple computers in the car. It's not just one place. Okay, footwell module. Boy, them come up with modules like, whoa, boy. I'm telling you, footwell module. Soon we have a back scratcher module. Driver side mirror heating faulty. Blows and skirt. Them can monitor that too. Passenger side mirror heating faulty. Boy, after, I will inform. But after I fix everything else, that's it. Yeah, man. So, that's what we find in there. The wheel speed sensor for sure. The thermostat giving off an error. Probably need replacement. And brake pads in the rear. The pad sensor showing up. So, we'll check to see if it's really low or whatever the case may be. And then the heated mirror issue. So we go check that stuff out and see what we find. All right. Come on, let's go. Yeah.